Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green. Thank you for watching our latest quick tip on lawn health. I know that sometimes when the lawn doesn't come out of dormancy well, we're our clients are concerned about the lawn and they're worried that maybe the lawn won't come back this year. And what I've seen is that more often than not, particularly with St. Augustine and the Bermuda lawns that are so very aggressive. Once we have warm weather, the lawns recover and they fill in, and usually we don't have to resod unless the lawn is extremely damaged, and most of the time that's from uh, underwatering the prior year. This lawn is a good example of that. This is Brenda F's place here in North Plano, and uh, when she called in early April, the lawn was really looking rough. She was extremely concerned. She thought she might have to have an expensive sod replacement. And our recommendation was make sure that you're following our watering program. It looks like you probably have enough sun for the lawn to recover. And let's just water it. Obviously, with our fertilizing program, we have special products that we'll use to help the lawn recover. And sure enough, this is right at 4 months later, and you can see the lawn is just really looking nice. Uh, Almost all of the areas that she was so concerned about, understandably so, almost all of these areas have filled in. The lawn has recovered nicely, and the main thing that we did was that we applied really good, healthy fertilizer to the lawn, kept control of the weeds, and then uh, Brenda did her part by following our watering guide, and that's like we talk about sun, water, and food in that order. She did the watering part, and we did the food part, and she's got enough sun, and so now she has that great looking lawn, and like we always try to provide that worry free lawn. This is Ken with Village Green. If you need help with your lawn, if it was struggling earlier in the year and you're concerned about it, you're worried about it, or if you have mosquito issues that you're concerned about, please give us a try. If you like these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience you can trust.